to have so much of me time, 21 days. Wow, that's like really awesome. I'm Valli Ramanathan. I come from Chennai and I'm 63 years old. Well, this has been, a journey that I wanted to take. And the concept is not entirely new because I did attend a 7-day program. And after that, I became vegan, which I'm very happy about. So now I think it's about the next transition into whole plant-based food. And I must say, this has been one of the best 21 days of my life because there has been so many parameters that I have crossed, and that gives me a lot of motivation to do what I really love. One of it is, my dream to trek. Every day we were like every alternate day we were going, 6 to 7 kilometers. I really didn't think that I will be able to do so much, and now I'm sure I can do it. And then is my swimming sessions with Captain, which I really actually look forward to in this 21 days. And I must say that I'm slowly overcoming my fear of the deep, and I'm sure I will be better. And another thing I liked about this is all the fun events that we had together, and also the cooking demonstrations that the cooking events that we were part of it, because that also really made it very exciting. The food is the variety that we've got there is an excellent motivation, because now we know that our food can be as exciting as the rest of the family. Only we should work towards making that for ourselves. So that is a real motivation. And all the cooking classes, the food is just like awesome, amazing. Yeah. And of course the serene atmosphere itself, to have so much of me time, 21 days. Wow, that's like really awesome. There are times when I've thought that Dr. Nandita has been really lucky to have found such a place. As far as my health is concerned, I haven't really achieved the numbers that I would have liked to achieve. But that also has been an eye-opener for me, because I think maybe I need to look elsewhere other than just my diet and my exercise. So now I'm looking into that. Let's see where I get.